Gen Ed subjects. So, Gen Ed segment, society, technology, and society, gender and society, and then health, safety, and nutrition for recent students. So that is your usual. So that sometimes if kulang ng teacher, I'm learning chemistry and agri-biology of agricultural students. So your agri-biology one. So that is plant agricultural biotechnology. So if there's genetic engineering, we should also so, ito sa atin, ito practice ng STEM, we should also. So, how about the office administration? Do you have your laboratory? Dapat may laboratory para mo sa computer. So that's steno subject. Be good in it because that steno can be used if you work in Hall of Justice. Sa Hall of Justice. Kasi in the Hall of Justice, kung may mga kaso, na steno ang pagkantang sa kaso. So, may mga sa justice, steno na sa secretary. Sometimes allow me to sit down because I am diabetic. I have my diabetes at 2 milliliters. Way back 2023, I was amputated with one toe, middle toe. Kaya nga ako yung sugar taas. So, magano, siguro matulak naman tayo kaya ni Dr. Pasqua and our family history sa akin po diabetic. Lumami sa tingin ng ulo. Si Aki po ay diabetic patients are going through cancer because cancer loves sugar. So avoid sweet fast. And especially if you have family history of diabetes. So refrain from drinking Coca-Cola. 1 Coca-Cola, one Coca-Cola, if you have the normal value of sugar 100, that 1 bottle of Coca-Cola will triple your sugar. And that sugar, if you travel down, it will take you 1 week to lower your sugar, including cutting your rice and take no sugar, no bread, no sodas, no coffee, just water.